The Trump administration has announced a sweeping review of more than 55 million people holding valid U.S. visas. In a statement to the Associated Press, the State Department confirmed that all visa holders, from tourists and students to long-term workers, are now subject to what it calls continuous vetting. This means that even if someone has already been approved to travel or live in the U.S., their records can still be re-examined at any time. If new information surfaces, whether it's overstaying a visa, criminal activity, threats to public safety, or links to terrorism, that visa can be revoked immediately. And if the person is already inside the United States, they could be deported. The State Department said it reviews all available information, including law enforcement data, immigration records, and even social media activity, to determine whether a visa holder remains eligible. Since Donald Trump returned to office, the administration has already revoked thousands of visas, including more than 6,000 student visas in recent months. Officials claim most were due to law violations, overstays, or, in some cases, terrorism-related concerns. But that's not the only immigration move announced. The U.S. government also said it will stop issuing work visas for commercial truck drivers, effective immediately. Secretary of State Marco Rubio argued that the rising number of foreign drivers was endangering American lives and undercutting American truckers. The Transportation Department added that this decision is also tied to road safety standards, pointing to incidents where limited English proficiency among drivers may have played a role in fatal accidents. Critics, however, note that foreign truck drivers have helped fill labor shortages in the industry, and warn that this policy could disrupt supply chains and raise costs. Experts say the broader visa review represents one of the largest expansions of immigration enforcement in U.S. history. While the administration defends it as necessary for national security, it also raises concerns for millions of people, including those outside the U.S. who hold multiple-entry tourist visas, who may now face uncertainty about their travel and immigration status. In short, the new rules mean that having a valid U.S. visa no longer guarantees entry or long-term stay. Instead, every visa holder is now under ongoing scrutiny, a policy shift that could impact students, workers, tourists, and families across the globe.
Now, the death penalty, he is going to prosecute protesters.
Anyone. Everybody see over here, big X over your head. Let me see you guys do a big X over your head.